Good morning, everyone. My name is Bernardo B. Esqueral III from grade 2 Kindness. I'll recite the poem, My Favorites, adapted from Neville O'Hara. So many things I like to see. A castle, a beach, a rest house by the sea, a railroad train, a bamboo and in a mirror even me. So many things I like to hear. The laughing words of mother dear, the gentle voice of baby sister, mothers and brothers' steps as they come here. So many things I like to feel. A big fish turkey on my ring, a furry kitten comes a wheel, a bicycle on shining steel. So many things I like to spend. A tulip, lilac, and bluebell, a rose or daisy in the dell, a roasted peanut in its shell. So many things I like to take. A big fat turkey, got new base, a frosted cake with turtle's grace, a glass of water, red iris. So many things I like that's true. How many things I like by you? My favorites.